this project I want to show you how we can install the garden edge and the hedge plants, planting hedge plants front of the house. That's a garden area going to the side. First we set the line for the timber edge in the council area boundary, and then we dig down and we dig off the existing turf 600 wide all through, and then I spray the weed killer to stop growing the grasses. Then I show you how we can install the timber garden edge. This is a H4 timber slipper, 150 by 50 and 2.4 or 3 meter long. We need to set the line first, then find out if there is bump or up and down. We can cut it through to a slipper will be under and line of the string line all through the end, and then we're going to the other side. We can manage the slope by changing the string line, but it has to be in one line. The slope is can play with that, but the line should be all the same line. When you look at it, it will be all the same line. Looks good. So guys, then we dig a hole, we lay the slipper and we find the joint. We dig a hole for the post. The post will be joined to a slipper together by the galvanized screw, 100 millimeter long, and we screw it to the post. Then we fill up by the concrete to the hole to stay, and also we're following the line for the outside of the slipper. And then we continue. When the line finish, we add the water and mixing the concrete to the hole. This is the concrete we use, it concrete mix, easy to use. And this is the galvanized screw. That's 140 by 10 by 100 millimeter. It's a galvanized screw, and we screw it from the outside to the post, 2 of them each side. So guys, the garden edge finished, and we did the planting boxes, 500 millimeter space, and then we covered it by the weed mat and mini nugget mulch.